والله أعلم بما وضعت وليس الذكر كالأنثى وإني سميتها مريم وإني أعيذها بك وذريتها من الشيطان الرجيم.
But when she gave birth to a female child, she said, O Lord, I have given birth to a female. And Allah knew full well what she had given birth to. And a male is not the same as a female. I have named her Mary, and commit her and her offspring to you for protection from Satan, the accursed.
فتقبلها ربها بقبول حسن وأنبتها نباتا حسنا وكفلها زكريا كلما دخل عليها زكريا المحراب وجد عندها رزقا قال يا مريم أنى لك هذا قالت هو من عند الله إن الله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب.
Thereupon her Lord graciously accepted Mary and vouchsafed to her a goodly growth and placed her in the care of Zakariya. Whenever Zakariya visited her in the sanctuary, he found her provided with food. He asked her, Mary, how did this come to you? She said, It is from Allah. Allah provides sustenance to whom He wills beyond all reckoning.
هنالك دعا زكريا ربه قال رب هب لي من لدنك ذرية طيبة إنك سميع الدعاء.
Then Zechariah prayed to his Lord, Our Lord, grant me from yourself out of your grace the gift of a goodly offspring, for indeed you alone heed all prayers.
فنادته الملائكة وهو قائم يصلي في المحراب أن الله يبشرك بيحيى مصدقا بكلمة من الله وسيدا وحصورا ونبيا من الصالحين.
As he stood praying in the sanctuary, the angels called out to him, Allah gives you good tidings of John, Yahya, who shall confirm a command of Allah, shall be outstanding among people, utterly chaste, and a prophet from among the righteous.
قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وقد بلغني الكبر وامرأتي عاقر قال كذلك الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Zechariah exclaimed, My Lord, how shall I have a son when old age has overtaken me and my wife is barren? He said, Thus shall it be. Allah does what He wills.